Oh look, a television, fantastic. Time to watch my favorite show. Drama Alert.
I'm Rick Harrison, and this is my pawn shop. I work here with my old man and my son, Big Hoss. Everything in here has a story and a price. One thing I've learned after 21 years, you never know what is going to come through that door.
I'm gay.
What is up, Drama Alert Nation? I'm your host, Killer Keemstar. Let's get right into the news.
Now, I'm an August baby, so I wouldn't know, but I imagine it's always a shame when you have to go to school on your birthday. But in our next story, Zachary McGough didn't mind too much today because he really was the centre of attention.
Yes, on the 11th day of the 11th month of the 11th year, Zachary was, of course, 11. Sarah Mulkerrin spent the day with the birthday boy and his classmates.
Happy birthday, sweetie.
Up early to open his birthday cards before school. For Zachary McGough, this Armistice Day is a special one.
I'm 11 on the 11th of the 11/11, and when I was born in the 11th hour on the 11th of the 11/11. I'm 11, so it's 9 11s.
So does this special 11-year-old like sharing his birthday with Armistice Day? No. It's not just Zachary's numbers that have significance today, but also his name. Its meaning was initially unknown to his mum, Lisa.
When we actually named him, I picked the name months in advance and we didn't have a clue. And then after we named him, my auntie phoned down from Scotland to my mum and said his name actually means Zachary.
Are you sure about that?
That's the meaning of Zachary.
Staff and children pause at 11 a.m. to remember those fallen.
Guys, this is bullshit. Time to stop. Stop doing this. Time to stop. This reminds me of my childhood. Stop this. Stop it. I am disgusted by this content.
Sarah Mulkerrin.
It makes me sick.
Tonight.
It makes me want to.
Now, a little bit earlier on, you heard a snippet of Exton St Mary's Choir during the tail end of Sarah's report. I think we should go back and hear a little bit more of those angelic voices.
Are you sure about that?
You're a fucking idiot. You look like you're smelling ass.
Better than any of us did.
Welcome to the Filthy Frank Show.
I know. You really do.
If you're feeling suicidal, you've come to the right place. Because I want to fucking kill myself as well. Fuck you, I hate all of you.
And holy shit, just like that it's over. Fucking black screen.